Did you know that there are small gestures that, although they may seem insignificant, can make a woman think about you repeatedly, even without her consciously realizing it? Most men tend to overlook these details because they assume that only grand gestures truly make an impact. However, the reality is that it is often the small, consistent actions that leave a much deeper impression. When a woman feels emotionally comfortable around a man, she can begin connecting that feeling to his presence. With time, that memory may naturally come back to her during different moments of the day, even when he isn't there. That's why understanding these types of behaviors can make such a meaningful difference. Stay with me until the end because the final tip might completely change the way you look at emotional connection in a relationship. Welcome to the channel, where we explore how small details can improve your relationships and help you understand female psychology on a deeper level. Here, our goal isn't to teach tricks or methods of manipulation, but instead to share simple attitudes that build respect, trust, and a genuine connection. In this video, you'll discover 7 things that many women genuinely appreciate, even though they may rarely say so directly. If you've ever wondered what makes a man remain in a woman's thoughts for longer, then this video is for you. Before we get started, please like this video if you enjoy this kind of content. Your support really helps the channel continue producing videos like this. If you find any of these tips useful, leave a comment and share your thoughts or experience. And, of course, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss our upcoming content. First, the power of a massage before intimacy. Physical touch represents far more than simple attraction. For many women, it can symbolize attention, affection, and genuine presence. A relaxing massage shows that you care about her comfort and well-being, rather than focusing only on the intimate moment. Even though it may appear to be a minor detail, it can completely change the emotional experience. Instead of rushing into things, spend a few minutes helping her unwind. You can use a pleasant aromatic oil or slightly warmed body butter and gently massage her shoulders, back, or arms. As you do this, keep the atmosphere relaxed, have a pleasant conversation, or simply enjoy the comfortable silence you share. This type of behavior communicates patience and consideration. When a woman feels that you genuinely care about her comfort, she may become more relaxed, secure, and emotionally connected. Often, it isn't the massage itself that creates the lasting memory, but rather the feeling of receiving attention without pressure or immediate expectations. Secondly, subtle and respectful flirting. Many men hold back from flirting because they're afraid of rejection or worry about coming across as too aggressive. But there's a major difference between putting pressure on someone and naturally showing interest. Respectful flirting, combined with a sincere smile, a subtle compliment, or a playful joke, often creates a much more enjoyable atmosphere than trying too hard to impress. For many women, what makes a man attractive isn't necessarily the intensity of his words, but the calmness and confidence behind the way he communicates. Simple actions such as maintaining eye contact, listening carefully, and responding naturally can make a much stronger impression than any prepared pickup line. The goal is to create a comfortable setting where both of you can communicate without feeling pressured. When flirting develops naturally and respectfully, it creates curiosity and closeness rather than discomfort. Third, gently stroke her hair. It may sound like a very small detail, but for many women, hair can be connected with feelings of affection, comfort, and tenderness. Gently running your fingers through her hair during an intimate and appropriate moment can communicate calmness, care, protection, and emotional closeness. Of course, the context is extremely important. This gesture generally works best when you're already relaxing together, watching a movie, talking after a long day, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment together before going to sleep. Avoid doing it if she has just finished styling or brushing her hair, or immediately after exercising, because it could produce the opposite reaction. Selecting the right moment shows sensitivity, awareness of details, and respect for her personal space, qualities that are deeply appreciated in a healthy relationship. Fourth, gently place your hand on her back. Although this may appear to be an extremely simple gesture, it communicates much more than most people realize. A soft, natural, and respectful touch on her back can express presence, support, and a sense of protection without requiring a single word.